Huawei recently launched the Huawei Enjoy 10 Plus smartphone in China, and it is going to launch this phone in other countries as well. It is a successor of the Enjoy 9 Plus phone that was launched last year in October. The phone comes with 3 variants of 4GB RAM with 128GB storage priced at 1500 yuan, which is approximately 15,000 Indian rupees. A 6GB with 128GB storage is priced around 1800 yuan, which is approximately 18,000 Indian rupees. So it is coming in 3 color options of black, blue, red and green. Huawei features and 6.59-inch of display with full HD plus resolution. It is powered by 2.2 GHz Kirin 710 octa-core processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 9 with an EMUI 9.1 out of the box, and it is fueled with 4000 mAh of battery with a 10W charging support. As for imaging, the phone is equipped with a triple rear camera with a combination of 48 megapixel main sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 2 megapixel depth of field sensor as well with an aperture of f2.4. For the front, the phone has a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera with an aperture of f2.0. So this is all about the Huawei Enjoy 10 Plus, which is looking as a complete package for the price it is coming with. So if you like the phone and whatever you feel about the phone, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.